Without wasting your time, we are going to share the top 3 longboard wheels for sliding. The number 3 on the list is Blood Orange Liam Morgan Longboard. Our third choice is from another serious longboard wheel manufacturer, Blood Orange. This Santa Cruz brand dispenses with all the other frivolous skating hardware and focuses on wheels and wheels alone. And the pick of their product is the signature Liam Morgan line. A professional rider, Morgan has a laid-back skating style that's purposeful and determined and incorporates a lot of, you guessed it, sliding. Like the man they were fashioned for, the Liam Morgan Freeride is made to do a lot sliding. And when we say a lot, we mean a lot. Made from high-quality urethane, their rounded edges and relatively soft construction mean that the Freeride is made to take an insane amount of punishment and keep rolling, no matter what. One of Morgan's trademarks involves leaving a lot of thane, which means leaving a visible mark on any surface that you've been sliding, and his trademark wheel does the same. It's designed to leave thane from the wheel's urethane construction marks, which is like adding your signature to any surface that you've been sliding. It's skate graffiti that only the bravest and boldest know how to make. Smooth and speedy, the Pro Series Freeride is as comfortable cruising the streets as it is sliding down hills and carving concrete. It's not the fastest wheel you can fix to your longboard, but with its inbuilt ability to leave thane marks, one thing is certain: every other longboarder worth their salt, if you ride on Liam Morgan's, will know where you've been sliding. This wheel doesn't know how to go quietly into that good night. The number 2 on the list is Sector 9 Butterballs. Do you want to know why a company would call their wheels butterballs? Because they slide like butter off a hot knife, that's why. These longboard wheels from Sector 9 were made to let you slide and glide your longboard whenever the mood takes you, and that's exactly what they'll do if you let them. Sector 9 is infamous for the amount of testing that they do on all of their wheels. They design them, test them, take them back to the drawing board, then test them again, redesign them, and yes, you guessed it, they test them again. They test their wheels beyond any and all expected performance parameters, and it's only when Sector 9 is 110% happy that their wheels will do everything that they're supposed to and more, that they even begin to think about fitting them on other skaters' longboards. They test their wheels to destruction so that you'll always be safe. And all that testing gave the skating world the Butterball. A wheel that rides like a cruiser and slides like the devil on the slippery pole to hell. Butterballs are stone ground to increase normal riding grip, but their rounded lips mean that with a single flip of your deck you'll find yourself in the middle of sliding territory. They might not be the fastest wheel in the world, but they are amongst the most slippery of sliders and are made from precision urethane to ensure that they won't rub flat after a couple of sessions and will keep right on rolling and sliding. The number 1 on the list is Orangutan Stimulus. Orangutan makes skateboarding hardware. That's all that they do, and they're incredibly good at it. The majority of what they do, however, is make wheels. Famous in the annals of the skateboarding world for fashioning the sort of wheels that professionals choose for their boards, it shouldn't be a surprise that they also make wheels that'll help you slide your longboard to glory. The Stimulus is a mid-sized longboard wheel that's been manufactured to deliver maximum performance for longboard dancing, every freestyle trick under the sun, and free riding. It's exactly the right diameter to pick up and maintain speed, glide over every bit of debris that might litter your path, and most importantly, slide. The Stimulus rounded lips and ground contact path guarantee that you can start sliding like a champion from the moment you fit them to your board. They're a smooth ride that'll let you slide in style. Orangutan uses their own patented urethane formula that they call Happy Thane to create their wheels. It's a formula that they swear by and have staked their reputation on. It makes their wheels fast and smooth and lets them grip to any surface that you're skating, but at the same time also lets them slide whenever the mood takes you. A transitional wheel that'll let you bounce between cruising, freestyle, downhill, and cruising without missing a beat. The Stimulus is Orangutan's go-to wheel. It'll do whatever you want it to, whenever you need it to, and it will launch into any and every slide with a simple kick of your board.